we have sum of measure of exterior angles of polygon. So what it will be? Sum of measure of exterior angles of the polygon. It is equal to 360. You had seen here we have all the exterior angles. As sum we got 360, and it is the property which we will use in next exercise 7.2, that sum of the measures of exterior angles of any polygon, not only quadrilateral, any polygon. If we want to find the sum of exterior angle, that is equal to 360. It is written in your NCERT books on page number 43 that sum of measures of external angles of any polygon is 360. We will use it and we will solve it. Now, exercise 3.2 based on this property. So, you have to find the value of x in question number 1. I will take B part of the question number 1. Now, okay, so I am taking here, look at here, this is your 70 degree, this is your x, it is 90 degree, this is your 60, and it is also 90. Just now we read that sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. Sum of exterior angles of any polygon is equal to 360. So here we have all the exterior angle. Look at here. 70 is an exterior angle. X is an exterior angle. This is your 90. That means this is also 90. It is 60. It is 90. So we have to find the value of x. Since sum of angles, all the angles is equal to 360. That means we can easily find. So you have to write the property first of all. Already I had written, so now I am not writing it again. So from this you can write your answer. Sum of measures of exterior of angle of any polygon is equal to 360. Therefore 70 plus x plus 90 plus 60 plus 90 is equal to 360. X plus, now we will add these. (310) is equal to 360 degree. X is equal to 360 minus 310. X is equal to 50 degree. So that is the way you have to do. Now we have second question. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon means all the sides of the polygons are equal. It is a regular polygon. All sides of these polygons are equal. That means angles are also equal. We have to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. So first of all, we have two parts here. One is inside, another is 15 side. So I am taking the second part, that is 15 sides. So I am taking the second part of second question, that is 15 sides. Question is, find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Since we know that sum of measures of exterior angles is equal to, we know that it is 360. Now since this is your regular polygon, that means all angles should be equal. Let one of the exterior angle we had taken, let one exterior angle is equal to x. So number of angles is equal to 15, since it is a 15 side, so 15. So sum of angles, one angle is equal to x and number of angles is equal to 15. So total angles is 15 into x. This will be the sum of all the angles is equal to 360. So x is equal to 360 divided by 15. 15 2 ja 30 and 15 4 ja 60. So 24 will be your answer. So that is the way you will do question number 2. Now I am taking here question number 3. Question number 3. If anybody has any problem, you can write in the chat box. I had already sent you the syllabus of your first terminal exams, and prepare well for your exams. Complete your copies. Tomorrow you have to submit your copy. I think so. So you have to submit your copies tomorrow between whatever time I had already given to you in your respective classes. And 8th B, I had today is your parents teacher meeting between 4 to 5. I had already sent the names. Only these parents, whichever I had given the names, only parents of these students will join the meeting today. For rest, I will organize one more meeting. Then you have to join for that meeting. Today, up to 13 roll number I had given. So only these parents will join the meeting between 4 to 5.